Rich, please jump. Rich, man, you want to put your bumper on?
Dude, I need the bolts.
What, you got a V8 in there?
6. Oh, wait. Let him go through. Oh, he's going to go through. Gonna have to get replaced anyway.
Yeah, keep it, alright, Chuck?
Hold up.
Just back up, Ray. Let him go through. Gotta spin him, man.
What are you doing? Check this out.
You asshole!
You got it dirty. Hell on the way. Okay. Oh man, we didn't bring pictures with us. Oh, watch your back. No. Why? Because I said no. Why? Because.
That'd be fun. Hit those rocks.
He can.
Sure. Hold on. And not today. Some other than when your truck's running.
That shit's deep.
Take that.
Damn, like fell down there.
You take that?
Yeah, I'm taping him.
Fucking bunch of Tomcos.
Eric Tomko.
Times 3.
What the hell was you doing there?
That's the way you got.
Deep.
Yep.
What's that Ford emblem doing on the fucking front?
What license plate? Mr. Gear. It's a stick, right?
Yeah.
What? They said something about my truck.
Ooh, cool.
Dude, I thought I was gonna get stuck there. Two-wheel drive and made it out. Oh.
Hell yeah, we got our own fucking mud pit, bro.
Something?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be cool. I'd do that on my blade. No.
Yep.
These guys are crazy.
Oh yeah, I had a.
Hey, Tim! You cleaned all the mud off. I hear Isuzu. Come on down. A bunch of fuck. You never seen dirt before?